Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survive channel, the best place to gain your first 30 pounds of muscle as a skinny guy and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. So listen up, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the 6 reasons why you're probably struggling to build muscle. You cannot build any muscle or you can't gain weight and you're still skinny. I'm going to show you exactly why and how to avoid this so you can start getting buff, start gaining weight consistently and building more muscle. But if you're new to this channel, my name is Will. I'm the founder of the Skinny Survivor and we help skinny guys bulk up fast and go from the skinny guy to the buff guy. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. If that's content you want to see, you want to bulk up fast, you want content like mass gain meal plans, recipes, workouts, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And also check out the links in my description. I'm going to leave a free bulking meal plan and workout to get started and help you build muscle fast in the next couple of months. So make sure to check that link out in the description. But without further ado, let's get straight into today's 6 reasons why most skinny guys never see results, can't gain weight, and can't build muscle. Okay, so the first reason why most skinny guys can't build muscle is because they don't have a plan of action of how to get there. They don't have any structure, okay? They don't have a plan to follow in the gym. And when you don't have these things, you're gonna really struggle to build muscle because you pretty much have no direction. And if you can picture a car that has no direction, how is he gonna get to his destination? You need a destination. First of all, you need to know exactly where you want to be, okay? Where do you wanna be in 6 months? Where do you wanna be in a year? How much muscle do you wanna build? How much weight do you wanna gain? And plan that out. Make sure to write it down. Like, what do you wanna achieve by the end of the year? Do you wanna get to a certain weight? Do you wanna gain a certain amount of weight? Do you wanna be lean and build more muscle? Like, what's the kind of goal you wanna achieve? And be specific, okay? For me, maybe right now I wanna gain 10 more pounds of muscle and that's gonna be my goal for this year. So once you know your goal, you at least have some direction and you have something to motivate you. You have a reason to get in the gym and get started. And because if most people don't have that, most skinny guys never plan for that, they don't set goals, they start giving up, they don't have motivation, okay? Now, if you set your goals and you know exactly where you want to be, for me, I wanted to be a fitness model when I started out. I wanted to be lean, ripped, have a chiseled physique, and that's what motivated me to get up every day and work my ass off, okay? So if you want to achieve something, you want to be successful at building muscle as a skinny guy, you need to set goals for yourself and be as specific as possible. You know, literally put images of people you want to be like, people that inspire you, your role models. I used to put pictures of Ziz in my room. I used to put pictures of Jeff's side because those are the kinds of physiques that I looked up to that I wanted to be like. And eventually, as I started training more, I started becoming more like them, okay? So make sure to do this very important thing, and that's to have a plan, okay? To have a plan, know where you wanna be, okay? And that also leads me to my second point is have a workout plan and a meal plan at least to follow, okay? Have a structure in your training and your nutrition, okay? And that's gonna help you see more success, okay? I remember when I first started out, I didn't have a workout plan. I didn't have a nutrition plan. And I just went into the gym every day. I just did whatever I wanted and I was kind of winging it, you know, trying to get lucky. Didn't really know what I was doing. And I wasted so much time because I could have just literally done what I do now with my coach. I could have invested in a coach to design me a proper workout plan, a proper nutrition plan, and I would have got to my destination way quicker. You know, I spent years spinning my wheels, just literally didn't have a coach, didn't have a workout plan, and didn't have a nutrition plan, and I didn't get results, okay? And I was constantly looking in the mirror, frustrated and angry that I wasn't getting results because I was working my ass off, but I didn't have a plan, okay? And if you want to build muscle successfully, you need to have a plan. Make sure you have a plan, okay? So that's reason number 1, make sure to avoid that and you will be successful as a skinny guy and bulking up and turning into the buff guy. So the second reason is you're not training enough, okay? Now, this seems pretty obvious, but a lot of guys, they don't know they're not training enough. You need to train at least 3 to 5 times per week, okay? You need to make sure you're training enough. you're putting your body through enough stress, you're lifting enough weights to damage those muscles so they can recover to grow bigger, okay? If you're not training enough, you're simply not stimulating your body enough, you're not putting your body through enough stress to be able to ask it to build muscle, okay? You need to be able to put it through so much stress that your body eventually forces itself to grow. That's the name of the game, okay? Now, a lot of guys, they don't train enough, and some guys train too much, okay? So you want to avoid both of these scenarios. When you train too much, let's say you're doing 6 really heavy sessions every single week, you're gonna burn out fast, okay? And this is me in the beginning. I did 6 workouts because I thought that training more is better. But eventually I just burnt out and I just couldn't maintain those 6 sessions a week. And for many weeks I got sick. And you don't want to get sick because that's going to hold you back from building muscle in the long run. So go with something you're consistent with, you're able to follow for at least 3 to 5 times per week, and make sure to get enough training in, okay? So that leads me to my third reason why most skinny guys never build muscle, and that is simply not training consistently, okay? You can't build a great body if you just go in for a week or even a month, okay? And even 3 months. You need to be consistent. This needs to be a lifestyle for you. This needs to be something that you chose to do for the rest of your life, okay? You can't stay stuck in the same place for the rest of your life. You should be so hungry to transform your body and go from that skinny guy that gets bullied every day, that skinny guy that literally just gets overlooked by the girls, the skinny guy that, you know, people look down on, people don't even appreciate you, people think you're just, you know, incapable. You should be so hungry to transform yourself and go from that to someone who you want to be, the successful buff guy, the confident guy you want to be. You want to look in the mirror, feel amazing. You should be so hungry that you want to achieve that, you know, you're going to work your ass off for the next couple of years. You know, you're going to work your ass off for the rest of your life. And that was my mindset. I was like, you know, I'm all in. You got to be all in to do this. You got to be consistent, and you got to keep doing it until you see success, okay? Okay, successful people, they keep going until they see results, okay? Failures and losers, they give up at the first sign of any stress, the first sign when they don't see results. You gotta keep going even if you're not seeing results, and that's gonna make you successful as a skinny guy. So that's reason number 3 to avoid. Make sure you're consistent, okay? So reason number 4 is actually a lot more physical. So we're gonna be going over some reasons today, physical and mental. But this one's physical, and it's just you're doing too much cardio, okay? A lot of skinny guys, they're used to doing a lot of cardio because that's what kept them skinny in the first place. Maybe you're playing a lot of soccer at school, high school, university. Maybe you're playing a lot of sport like basketball. You need to cut it down because it's keeping you skinny. It's burning all your calories, and you're simply not getting enough calories to gain weight. That's why you can't gain weight. So minimize your cardio as much as possible if you want to see success as a skinny guy. So reason number 5 is you're not getting enough sleep, okay? This is something that's completely overlooked. No one thinks about this. You need your sleep. You need to get at least 7 to 8 hours per day so you're energized, you're motivated, you're focused to go in the gym, pump it out, and have great sessions on a week-to-week basis. This is gonna allow you to stay consistent. If you're not getting any sleep, you're not gonna be motivated, you're not gonna be energized, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be lazy, and you're not gonna wanna train. So make sure to get enough sleep if you wanna be successful and build more muscle and gain more weight in the next couple of months. So last reason why most skinny guys never see success is a poor mindset, okay? When we think about building muscle, we always think about it being physical, but really 80% of success as a skinny guy and bulking up is up here. It's the mindset, it's the psychology, it's how you think, okay? That's gonna pretty much dictate how you behave, and how you behave is gonna dictate the results you get in the gym, okay? And in life in general, okay? So a lot of skinny guys think that this is gonna happen in a day or a week or even a month. They're looking for super fast results. And that's okay, but it's gonna leave you very disappointed because you're gonna pretty much have these expectations that are way over what you can achieve in that specific time. So you need to be more realistic and you need to be in this long term, okay? So a lot of skinny guys think it's a 1 week thing, or maybe they'll achieve that dream body that most fitness models achieve in 10 years in 2 weeks. And it's not gonna happen, okay? This is gonna take time, okay? Building a great body is like building Rome, okay? And there's a famous and cheesy saying, Rome was never built in a day. Same thing as your body. It's gonna take time to sculpt that body, to build more muscle, and then chisel that body fat off. It's a long process, okay? But it's gonna be worth it if you are in it for the right reasons. If you're not in it for the right reasons, you're gonna give up, okay? And that's why I said, like the start, make sure to have a strong why. Like, why do you wanna do this? Is it because your girlfriend, you know, is been bullying you for being skinny? She doesn't look at you like someone she wants to date? Is it because maybe a lot of girls that you've tried to date have belittled you and treated you like a skinny guy or their little brother? That was me. Is it because you're getting bullied at school, bullied at a lot of guys who are a lot bigger than you, more muscular, and you're just tired of that? You want to be confident, you want to be strong. That was me as well. So you need to find your really strong why, and it should come from something that's painful, okay? When you can turn that pain into something that is positive, you're gonna see success, okay? So make sure you have a strong why. Make sure you know exactly what you wanna achieve, what you wanna look like, and who you want to be, and you're gonna see more success, okay? So that's the last reason. Don't give up so soon, okay? Even if you're not seeing results, keep going, okay? Just keep going, literally. When I started my journey, I didn't see amazing results for the first 3 years because I didn't know what I was doing, but I just kept going, and eventually I started to build more muscle, and by year 4, I competed as a fitness model in national and state competition and was awarded with those medals back there. So moral of the story is, do not give up, okay? You're in this for the long term and you've got the right reasons, you've got the right motives, okay? And you should be so hungry to transform yourself. I believe in you, but you gotta believe in yourself, okay? And if you can do all those things that I said today, you're gonna be successful, you're gonna build more muscle, you're gonna be that confident buff guy you've always wanted. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope it really helped you, hope it motivated you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to also check the videos that will come up on a later screen, and make sure to check out the links below. Go get your free bulky meal plan to get started, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.